I'm here in the Bicycle Collective again today, dropping off the Bridgestone MB1. That's right there. And I thought I'd show you a few of the bikes that are here today. We've got awesome stuff like this Bridgestone MB3. I've got two of them actually, two Bridgestone MB3s. This one's probably from the same era as the one I just dropped off. Got this awesome GT Avalanche and another GT Outpost, both for awesome prices. Got this really cool Schwinn Moab that I've been drooling over for a while. Great price. And lots of others. So that's all for now. Ciao.